Hello guys. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit crypto into RedotPay and use it as fiat for online payments. First, open RedotPay, tap on Deposit, then select Crypto. Choose USDT, then select On-Chain Deposit. Pick the network you want to use, for example, Arbitrum, and tap the Copy icon to copy the address. Now open your crypto wallet. In this example, I'm using Pionex. Tap Withdraw, then choose On-Chain Withdraw. Select USDT and make sure the network matches the deposit network, so Arbitrum here. Paste the address, enter the amount, and tap Submit. Confirm the withdrawal, complete the security verification, and check the withdrawal history. You'll see the status go from verified to processed, then network confirmation, and finally, done. Now go back to RedotPay. In the Transactions section, you'll see Deposit Pending. Wait a short moment, and once it's completed, your deposit will be successful. That's it. You can now use your balance to pay online with RedotPay. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more fast tutorials.